Suhana, and today I'm going to talk about my weight loss journey. So, I lost almost 10 kg in a span of 2 months. My current weight is 58 kg, and my previous weight when I started my journey it was 70 kg. So, within 2 months, I reached my goal, which was 60 kg. So, how did I do it? Yes, I would like to tell you all. So what tips I followed and I did on my weight loss journey, you can follow also the same and reach your goal. Even if you're too lazy, don't want to do too much exercise, then also you can lose weight. Yes, you can do it. So what I did, I'll share my experience with you all. So if you want to do it, just follow as it is and you will lose for sure. So the first rule is consistency. So you have to be consistent in your diet. You have to follow the same pattern and routine for at least for a month. Do not pause, do not break, and do not say that I can't do it, and don't stop in between. Just give yourself a month. Like I said, I will give it a shot for a month, and if it didn't work out, then I will not do it. So I tried for a month and I lost almost 5 kg, and then I got hunger for more. Yes. So you also, if you lose something in a month, you will go for more. Yes. So you have to be consistent. Do not stop in between. Yes, that's the first rule. The second thing you have to do is keep yourself hydrated. So you have to drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water in a day throughout the day. So what I used to do, that I used to have like 2 glasses of warm water after waking up. So it was like you can have lukewarm water or just plain water if you want. So you can have that in the morning water, you can have that jeera water, ajwain water, methi water, any water you can have. And I had taken apple cider vinegar with my water, and then throughout the day I was drinking water. So if you forget about drinking, how to drink, when to drink, so keep a reminder in your cell phone. So every 1 hour or 1.5 hour you just put an alarm and you drink water. So throughout the day you have to drink at least 8 to 9 glasses of water, and you don't have to drink like in one go. Just 1 glass water before like 1 hour meal, after your meal, and morning 2 glasses of water. That's the way you can calculate your 8 to 9 glass water. So the third thing you have to do is just weigh yourself every day. So I would tell you that when I was going through my this weight loss journey, I used to weigh myself every day. So it helps you, it motivates you. So even if you are losing 100 grams or 200 grams, you'll get motivated to lose more. So I used to do weight check every day. So I would like to tell you that you also do your weight check every day. So it will help you to get yourself motivated. Yeah. So the third thing I would like to tell you, you have to take good amount of sleep. Yes, sleep is very important, and you must know that in sleeping time also you reduce some weight, you lose calories. So sleep on time, at least 8 hours sleep is required, and do not stress about that will I lose or not. You just have to sleep well. Yes. Then the next thing comes, you have to stop eating junk. Yes, junk food, fried food like your pizza, burger, everything. I'm not saying that completely you have to stop it, but till the time you're on your weight loss journey, you have to stop it. And once you reach your goal, so within a week, 1 day you can have it. That's not a problem. You can have a cheat day, and but till the time you're on weight loss journey, just avoid that. Yes. And then the next point comes is stop using sugar, cut sugar from your diet. Like stop having this sugar cold drinks and these canned juices. They contain so much calorie, so you don't have to have that. Just stop it. And then you have to eat a good protein diet. You have to, yes, I used to have my protein diet, and I followed the calorie deficit diet. So you also follow the same with half an hour exercise or walking. Yeah, so you also can lose if you'll follow these rules, and do not stop in between. Yes. So everyone says today, I also want to say that if I can do it, you also can do it. Yes. So if you are going to start your journey, I would like to say all the best, and in your journey you will lose for sure. Just have faith, you can do it. Yes. And if you want to know my diet plan, what I used to have in my diet days, so you can let me know in comment section below. So I would love to share with you all, and would be happy to help you in your weight loss journey if I can. And also, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this video, what you have to do is just like, share with your friends who are also waiting to lose some kilos or weight, so you can share with them. And you have to comment below what you liked it or what you not. Yeah, thank you for watching.